There's something I whipped out real quick. Little cigarette tube tray. When I get the fans going, it can get a little breezy in here, and these cigarette tubes are so light, I gotta be careful they don't blow all over the floor. And had this little piece of metal that's off fall. I don't hardly throw anything away, I always find a use for it. And I need a piece of metal 5 inches wide by whatever length, and this was 5 inches wide. 3/4 notches in the corner and a 4 flange brake on it, with my Harbor Freight sheet metal press brake roller. So glad I bought that. This literally took 1 minute since I didn't have to cut anything, just notch and bend. And handy. And it's free. I like free because it's basically waste material. So now my cigarette tubes won't blow all over the dang place. So handy, handy, handy. That's all for this one. Thank you.